All right, guys, we're going to be doing a spare key for this 2024 Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to show you where we plug into the cert modification. Come over here, we got a driver door open. We're going to shoot for this. This is some kind of storage. It does nothing, so I use a little plastic tool or something just to get in here. Pop this out. I know we've done videos before on this in the past. And again, you can use this, push your little tab and pull. You do not need to modify this cable whatsoever. Your cable will fit in there just fine. Your 2021 does not need to be modified. Just plug it in. If it doesn't go in, and you're probably not in the correct port. So, all right, there's a little tight fit in here, especially when you got big hands. Drop that down. I'm sure you could use some forceps like I've used in the past to grab your cable and put it in, but again, it's probably not needed. But food for thought. That's where it is. That's where we're shooting for. And there we are. So we're going to plug this into our Smart Pro and get started. All right, guys, so we're plugged into the cert module. We're going to be using 2025. Because we do have our cable, we're not going to be using TIS here. We're just going to go to add procs. Yes, we're plugged in. Yes, we have a working key. It's our working key. Yeah, let's bypass security. Why not? All right, we're on the internet. We're going to hit OK. Ignition is off. Yes, we're plugged in. You can see our arrows going back and forth there, reading the data. Okay, there's our keys in there. Hit OK. Gained access. Okay. Working key. Okay, there's our working key. Oh, we need our ignition on. Ignition's on. Working key detected. Should be good. All right, so we have our use key programmed. The being able to use keys is not supported by advanced diagnostics, so if you need to learn more on that, you'll need to figure it out on your own. Again, 2024 Toyota Tacoma spare procs brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics.